How to forget Wi-Fi network on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on this main home page, simply go to Settings at the left-hand side. From here, go to All Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and select Connections. Now from here, choose Network. Now, from here, select Network Settings. Now, choose wireless or wired according to your preferences. I'm going to select wireless. Now, from here, scroll down below and select Manage. From here, choose any network you wish to delete and forget. So I'm going to tap on this. And then if you tap on delete, you will successfully be able to forget that specific Wi-Fi network on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.